So this is reflection number 3 for scalability, where we talk about open business models, open service innovation, and open innovations expanding. So open business model is, I think, is changing, and now the concept of innovation is extremely important for a business to stay current and to be able to compete against other businesses. So I look at the 4 different types of frameworks and blocks of how an open business model works. The 4 box framework, the 6 function framework, the 9 building blocks, and the 4 factor framework. And what I got out of all these different variables of an open business model is that the customer is extremely important. It's extremely important that your business needs customer and it's a good customer, and as an owner, as a businessman, you need to create a value proposition, something of value for your customer, so your customer can buy your product or buy your service. Uh, you need to have a good profit formula. You need to know how you're gonna make money, because if something's not working, then you can make some changes and some variations to it. And you need to look at your resources and processes that will allow you to run your business effectively. So right now that we're working on our solution for our project, I think having these 4 concepts in my head and fresh is gonna help us accomplish a solution that is gonna be good for our customer. It's gonna be important for our customer. It's gonna have some value for our customer. Uh, it's gonna be we're gonna be able to calculate our profit and how you will make profit, and and we're gonna see what especially what types of resources or what type of process do we need to work on this solution. For the open service innovation part, I like those videos, and I like that, and I like the concept of that you're thinking differently. You're doing a new process of thinking. You're rethinking your business as a service company. So how I have a business, how can I make this business better for my customer? Always with the customer in mind. And that's excellent, and that's the type of business that I would like to have, and that's the type of company where I would like to work, where I can create with my customer, where I can go to my customer and I can, instead of selling something to my customer, I can have a relationship with that customer, and I can be, hey man, how you doing? What can I do for you? How are things? Do you have a problem? Is there something that I can do better? Is there a process that you think that it could work differently, that could make things better for your customers too? Because I think right now we need to help each other out to be better. And for the open innovation expanding, I can see now why we 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 need the IoT on our project, because that's the new way of doing things. Is what the smart cities are doing, public sector. They're using technology, and they're using the customer relationship they have and the customer experiences to make things better, to improve on things. So I think using the IoT and using technology is extremely important, and is a must in life right now, in reality, and it's nice to see that what we're doing in class is important and is current to what's really happening in the real world, in the actual world. All right, man. Good.